Welcome to the Introduction to Data Center Virtualization with VMware vSphere module. This module introduces data center virtualization and other concepts related to data center virtualization. The module also introduces vSphere 6.0 as a VMware solution to implement data center virtualization. Virtualization is the process of creating virtual versions of physical components, such as servers, storage devices, and network devices. Virtualization serves as an effective way to reduce IT expenses while boosting efficiency and agility, not just for large enterprises, but also for small and mid-sized businesses. With virtualization, you can run multiple operating systems and applications on a single server and consolidate hardware to get vastly higher productivity from fewer servers. Key areas where virtualization is applied include server virtualization, network virtualization, storage virtualization, application virtualization, and desktop virtualization. Using server virtualization, multiple operating systems can run on a single physical server as virtual machines, each with access to the underlying server's computing resources. Each VM in the host is unaware of the other VMs that exist within the same host. So if a VM crashes, the other VMs are not affected. Network virtualization is the complete reproduction of a physical network as software. Storage virtualization provides an abstraction layer for physical storage resources to be managed and optimized in a virtualization deployment. Application virtualization increases mobility of applications and allows migration to any server in the environment with minimal downtime by decoupling the application and operating system from the server hardware. Delivering virtualized desktops and applications to branch offices, outsourced and offshore employees, and mobile workers on iPad and Android tablets helps reduce costs and increase service. Virtualization is the fundamental technology that powers cloud computing and helps deliver on its potential. By virtualizing, consolidating, and automating your data center resources and management, you can transform your data center into a flexible cloud infrastructure with the performance and reliability to run the most demanding applications. VMware offers several products and services that allow you to do just that. For example, VMware vRealize Suite is a cloud management platform purpose-built for heterogeneous data centers and the hybrid cloud. And among other things, it allows you to automate the delivery of infrastructure and applications across multiple hypervisors, private and public cloud, with both speed and control. vSphere, the server virtualization platform from VMware, provides a robust API that simplifies infrastructure management for administrators and integrates with OpenStack APIs that enable developers to deploy, manage, and run OpenStack infrastructure. You can use vSphere Big Data Extensions, or BDE, on the vSphere platform to deliver a new level of efficiency and agility in handling data workloads. vSphere leverages BDE to support next-generation application frameworks such as Hadoop. BDE provides an integrated set of management tools that allows you to deploy, run, and manage Hadoop workloads in virtual and cloud environments. So, what is data center virtualization? Let's take a look. From a technical perspective, data center virtualization is the conversion of the hardware devices in a data center into software resources. Consider your physical data center that typically includes a number of physical servers and other networking and storage devices. These physical devices are expensive, consume a lot of space and power, and generate heat. Also, hardware failures are always a potential threat, and routine maintenance tasks, such as redeployment and backups, are often time-consuming processes requiring extensive downtime. Through data center virtualization, you can consolidate your servers into fewer pieces of hardware and effectively manage them using virtualized management platforms. In a virtualized environment, each server's operating system and applications are separated from the underlying hardware and placed on a hypervisor, which provides each virtual machine access to the underlying physical resources. This enables multiple virtual machines to access the same hardware. The most pressing challenge faced by IT departments in organizations across the world is the infrastructure sprawl that compels IT departments to channel 70% of their budget into maintenance, leaving scant resources for business-building innovation. This difficulty stems from the architecture of today's x86 servers. These servers are designed to run just one operating system and application at a time. As a result, even small data centers have to deploy many servers, each operating at just 5 to 15% of its capacity, highly inefficient by any standard. Virtualization software solves the problem by enabling several operating systems and applications to run on one physical server or host. Each self-contained virtual machine is isolated from the others and uses as much of the host's computing resources as it requires. Click each label to know more about the benefits of data center virtualization. Server consolidation enables you to get more out of your existing hardware by running multiple virtual machines on a single physical server. Fewer servers result in lower capital and operating costs. Note that a virtualization solution that has the highest virtual machine density per host provides maximum savings. Availability and fault tolerance features are an integral part of data center virtualization tools and help protect all your virtualized applications. Using these features, if a node or server fails, all its virtual machines are automatically restarted or continued on another machine with no downtime or data loss. Virtualization makes it easier to survive potential IT disasters. In the event of such a disaster, you can move virtual machines from one server to another in a different location without data loss. Streamlined and automated management tasks allow you to spend less time on maintenance and more time on innovation. Virtualization lets your business scale rapidly because you can deploy desktops, applications, and servers quickly and flexibly.